Okay, let's break down a word that you have heard a lot of and probably know about. Prompt. Everyone's saying, just write a better prompt. That's a great prompt. Buy my prompt package. What does that mean? Let's keep it simple. A prompt is just what you type into the AI to tell it what to do. It's what you input to the AI. It's your instruction, your message, your question, your task for the AI to perform. So whenever you open ChatGPT or Cloud or any other AI, what words you type in that box, that's the prompt. If you type, write me a bedtime story about a bunny that can time travel, that's your prompt. The AI reads it, think about bedtime stories, bunnies, and time travel ideas it has seen, and start generating a story based on that input. That's it. That's how prompting works. Now, here is where it gets interesting. The better and more specific your prompt is, the more specific and therefore better the answer you usually get. Because the AI doesn't actually know what you want. It can only guess based on the words and instruction you give it. So if you just type make a story, you might get something, and you probably certainly will get something pretty random. But if you say write a short, funny bedtime story for a 5-year-old about a shy bunny who learns to behave like a magical wizard, you probably get something way better. That's why people talk about good prompts or more sophisticated prompts, because giving in clear instructions actually helps AI to help you better. And then the next step is you can also tell AI how to behave in your prompt. For example, act like a professional coach and help me improve my resume, or pretend you are a pirate and tell me how to build a ship or take over other ships or something like that. The AI will play along because your prompt is kind of like a script you are handing it. Now it will act like everything that it has read that's coming from a pirate or a professional career coach, and you will generate the response it's going to give you based on that. That's why it's very good practice to tell the AI to assume the role of something before you give it a prompt. And then we can take it even a step further, right? There are also structured prompts, and all those can be put together. These are prompts that have a specific format that gets even better results. For example, you start by telling the AI what is your goal, then explain what is your task, then tell the AI it should be acting as what kind of professional, and then ask AI, say, well, before you answer my questions, ask me questions that you need answer to help you to better answer my questions. That way, it understands you even better before jumping in and try to generate the answers. And some prompts even include special instructions, and we call those parameters, like do this but use a cinematic style, and AI will understand what that means. Generate this video but use the camera pan slowly to the left. AI will know what that means. Use 16:9 aspect ratio. That's a specific format, and AI knows what that means and will give you the output accordingly. So those kind of details are super useful for certain type of output that you want. So yeah, how you write a prompt can really affect what AI give you back. Sometimes a small change can totally change the result. It's not about being fancy, it's about being clear, creative, and sometimes just try different ways and see how AI respond to different prompts. So next time somebody says anything about an AI prompt, you know what it means. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.